Hi ma'am, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Can you ma'am introduce yourself first?
I'm Hemilyn Escudero Tamayo and I'm the PR Director for Miss Asia Pacific.
We would like to ask ma'am the set of activities that you have for the Miss Asia Pacific.
Okay, so we just finished our press conference a while ago and tonight will be our national costume competition and tomorrow will be our talent competition at House Manila. And on the 19th, the girl will be flying to Palawan. They will be staying at Sheridan, Palawan. And then from there, we go to the underground river. They will go mountain hiking. And then they will try the ATV in the mountains. There you go.
What the activities probably will parang makakatulong sa tourism natin sa Pilipinas?
Oh, definitely. As I said earlier, the girls will be going to the underground river in Palawan, near Sheridan, Palawan. At alam naman natin na ang underground river ay isa sa 7 wonders of nature.
We would like also to ask kung ano yung mga magiging parang aabangan ng mga Pilipino sa mga activities nitong Miss Asia Pacific. Aside sa mga pupuntahan nila, ano po ba yung pinaka-aim ng Miss Asia Pacific para at least alam na Pilipino?
The aim of Miss Asia Pacific is basically to promote the Philippines, the places here and the culture. Especially the warmth of the Filipino people para ma-experience nila. Like right now, we are here now at Barrio Fiesta, Bakahan, Manukan, wherein the girls are having their lunch na nagkakamay sila, no? Pinapatry natin sa kanila. And then, pinapatry din natin yung mga different Filipino dishes.
Pwede ma'am, yung pinaka-activities natin is that to promote tourism as well para din makilala rin ng mga candidate natin yung mga pagkain din natin dito sa Pilipinas.
Yes po. Yun nga po yung namin. Kaya dito namin ginawa yung lunch nila para matikman nila yung mga famous Filipino dishes. At saka marinig nila yung mga gandang boses ng mga ating mga singers dito.
It's a good choice to bring them here kasi we covered it 3 times na for singing cook and waiters. They are very glad and happy pa. Pinoy na Pinoy talaga ang dating.
Yes po, sir. Yes po.
Bali, bukod dito, marami pa tayong activities na mag-enjoy sila. Like, right now, they're dancing na.
Yes po. Nag-enjoy naman ang mga ladies. Ilang days pa lang sila pero we're ongoing pa sa highlight ng atin which is yung pagpunta nila ng Palawan.
So, bali yung international communities will also kaabangan nila itong mga activities nila.
Since we will be showing in Star World, makikita po yung mga different beautiful places dito sa Philippines.
We would like to ask ma'am kung saan nila pwede mapanood yung grand finals ng Miss Asia Pacific so that the world can also watch and the whole Filipino watch them.
Okay, sir. Definitely mapapanood nyo po ang Miss Asia Pacific, the comeback, no? Meron po kaming live streaming on November 23 sa aming website. And then at the same time, ipapalabas po siya sa Star World sa December 4 at 11:30 a.m.
Can you also invite them anong day yon, araw, oras para mapanood po nila?
Okay po. Iniimbitahan ko po ang lahat ng mga kababayan nating Pilipino all over the world. Please watch po Miss Asia Pacific on December 4 at Star World, 11:30 a.m.
Thank you very much po. Thank you po.